once it is in the website, in the social, it will be read and studied by all, and we are giving this the open for all people that they can know it and they can learn something from here. So some people may be disappointed if something is there and it's not mentioning that this is the from that particular community and they use it. So this is very important, and you know it better than me because you are excellent expert in this field. So anyway, my our students are here today and they will learn this new subject for them. Maybe some students are interested to study. I request our student friends that when we are in the colleges, in the schools, we have very limited options of our careers. Like in arts, we think that we will study this one, that one. In science, we will study this one, that one. But you try to find some area, find some subjects. Those subjects are very important, but very less students study on those subjects. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, and you have the huge potential, you have the huge opportunity if you go, and study that particular subjects. In science, there are lots of subjects. Many students they don't study that subject. They don't take it as a career, as a subject of study. So once you become graduate, postgraduate, do research and PhD on that particular subject, all over world you will get opportunity for job, for work like this archaeology, anthropology. There are lots of important subjects are there. So you try to find out those the subjects because some subjects are there. Everybody study these subjects in chemistry, in physics, in biology, in botany, and in art subjects also. So try to find out this kind of subjects which are rarely chosen by students, and there is huge opportunity. So this is only one point I wanted to mention. Uh, Sorry to say that today is very hectic day for me. Said I won't be for a long time here. So please continue. आङो मोजां मोनदों लोगो मोननानै फरायसाफोरखौ जोंनि फरायसा समाव गोबां खोथाफोर जोङो सानो बाट जोङो जोंनि केरियार सिलेक्शनखौ एसे गोसो होनानै साननाय हयै जोङो माबा मोनसे सिलेक्शन खालामना लाबा मोजां जाय केरियारा ओरैबायदि जानांगौ जायखौ नों मावनानै मोजां मोनो नों स्टाडि खालामनानै मोजां मोनो नोङो नोंनि गोसोजों गोरोबो लोगोसे बियो मुलुगाव बेहा गोनांथि दङ मुलुगाव बेखौ जोङो मावोब्ला बे बिसयखौ बे साबजेक्टखौ लायोब्ला आङो माबा मोनसे होनो हागोन बा मावनो हागोन बेबायदिखौ केरियारखौ सायख'नांगौ मालाया फरायनायखाय आंबो फरायदो बिदि नङा मालाया बयबो थांदोखाय आंबो थांदो बिदि नङा दा ओंखायनो मा जादों मोनसे फिसा साख्रि ओंखारोबा बेवहाय 1 लाख मानसिया एप्लाइ खालामो 10,000 मानसिया एप्लाइ खालामो 5,000 मानसिया एप्लाइ खालामो खायफा अपरचुनिटि फैयो बेखौ रावबो एप्लाइ खालामा बे साबजेक्टआवनो गैया मानसिफ्रा ओंखायनो मुलुगखौ सोरगिदिं नायोब्ला नुगोन जे बेवहाय गोबां केरियार लानो हायो जायखिजाया केरियार नेचारनि थाखाय खामानि मावनो हायो ससाइटिनि थाखाय खामानि मावनो हायो कालचारनि थाखाय खामानि मावनो हायो हेरिटेजनि थाखाय खामानि मावनो हायो जायखिजाया बिथिङावनो खामानि मावनो हायो ओंखायनो जोंनियाव गोबांनियावनो मबाइल दङ आजिखालि बयबो कम्पिउटार नायो दा बेवहाय गुगोलफ्राव नायनांगौ जे बेस्ट केरियारा दा 21st सेन्चुरिनि बेस्ट केरियारा मा जानानै दङ बबे साबजेक्टखौ फरायोबा मोजां जागोन खायफा साबजेक्ट दङ नों थाबनो फरायोबा थाबनो साख्रिबो मोनगोन आजिखालि MBA फरायो फरायसाफ्रा MSW फरायो दा बै साबजेक्टफोरखौ जोङो सिलेक्ट खालामनांगौ आरो नैफोरबायदियाव हाबलांनो हायोबाथ' बिराद मोजां बेवहाय नोंहाबो लाब जाबाय समाजाबो लाब जाबाय मुलुगाबो लाब जाबाय हारियाबो लाब जाबाय बयहाबो लाब जाबाय दा बिथांमोना सानै सुबुं जोंनि थाखाय खामानि मावनो फैदों सानैबो जोंनि नङा दा बिथांमोना ओरैबायदि माने बे खामानिजोंनो जोंहा गोबां खामानि जागोन इयुनाव नाथाय बेवहाय जोंहा मानसि गैया दा जोंनियाव सासे मोजां एन्थ्रपलजिस्ट गैया जोंनियाव बेबायदि माखासे मानसिफोर गैया हिस्ट्रियान गैया जायनि थाखाय जोंनि माखासे खामानिया जानांगौ खामानियानो जायाखै दा बेखौ नोंसोरो गोसो जायोब्ला फरायसाफ्रा बेखौ हायो आङो जोबोर मोजां मोनदों बयबो बाहागो लादों आरो दिनैनि हाबाफारिया जाफुंसार महर मोनथों बेखौनो खावलायनानै बेखौनो इसोरनि खाथियाव आरज गाबनानै आंनि बुंनायखौ फोजोबबाय गोजोन्थों थेंक इउ